everyone, I welcome you back to Sign Love Light Healing. So let us check what are the messages for you guys. It's been a very long time since I have posted a reading. So let's check what are the angel messages. It will be a very short reading. Let's check आपके angels आपके connection के बारे में आज आपको क्या guidance देना चाहते हैं. Okay, we have ask your angels. So आपको जो भी questions है, if you have doubts, questions, insecurities in your in your mind about this connection regarding your person or anything about their feelings or maybe the future of this connection, it could be anything. Okay, your angels are ready to answer you, so you can trust the answers that are being sent to you by your angels, and you're supposed to pay attention. Okay, जो भी आपको आंसर्स मिल रहे हैं, जो भी गाइडेंस मिल रहा है, वो आपके एंजल्स की तरफ से आ रहा है. So if you are still confused, if you have not received any form of guidance, then you should definitely go and pray to your angels and ask them for a solution. Okay, we have within the next few months. So maybe probably the answer that you are seeking, or maybe जो भी आपको चाहिए, जो भी, if you want to manifest this connection or manifest a particular person, a specific person, or anything that you want to manifest, or maybe whatever you're struggling with right now in your life, so it's going to manifest very soon within the next few months in your life. Okay, let's check what else do we have. We have compromise. So आपके एंजल्स को पता है आपने कितने कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ किए हैं, आपने कितने सेक्रीफाइसेस किए हैं. You have put so much of energy, so many efforts for this connection to work out, for you have invested so much of energy for this connection, for this relationship, for this person. Okay, so आपके एंजल्स वो देख रहे थे एंड उन्होंने वो कंसिडर किया है. एंड हो सकता है आपको लग रहा था इस पर्सन ने इतना आपका आपके एफर्ट्स को ग्रांटेड लिया, आपको इतना इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं दिया, या फिर ऐसा सब लग रहा होगा, लेकिन योर एंजल्स आर डेफिनेटली टेकिंग अ नोट ऑफ इट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज अ सक्सेस कार्ड. सो I don't know why, but I just saw a heart. Okay, so maybe you are going to be very successful when it comes to your relationship with this person. Okay, so you are going to have a very successful relationship with this person. Okay, long lasting, long term, peaceful. That's what we seek, right, in a relationship or a connection. So that's what your relationship is going to be like. Okay, it will be very peaceful, successful, long term, fulfilling connection. We have take action. So if you are wondering what is needed to be done, अगर आपको पता है कि आपको एक्शन लेना चाहिए या फिर लॉन्ग साइलेंस अगर चल रहा है आप दोनों के बीच में, सो यू आर ऑलरेडी अवेयर कि आपको एक्शन लेना है या फिर आपको वेट करना है टू सो बेसिकली आपके पर्सन को, इफ इट वाज अ सिचुएशन वेयर you have put so much of efforts, you have invested already, लेकिन now it is your person's turn to invest. आपको वो already पता है, तो you are supposed to wait for them. Okay, and even they are getting enough guidance that they are supposed to do something about this connection, or maybe now they are going to lose this connection, or maybe a very precious person, okay, from their life. So if you know that you are supposed to go to your person, you are supposed to talk regarding something, or maybe you are supposed to sort things out, then this is your sign. Or maybe if you are waiting for your person to do it, then they are already getting signs. We have communicate clearly. So take action के साथ ये भी कार्ड आ गया है. So you are supposed to communicate clearly with this person if this connection is really important. Okay, then you should go and talk to them clearly. Otherwise it's fine always. Maybe आपको लग रहा था कि साइलेंस इज़ नेसेसरी, लेकिन हमेशा साइलेंस ज़रूरी नहीं होता है. इट्स बेटर टू टॉक एंड कम्युनिकेट टू सॉर्ट थिंग्स आउट. ओके, yeah, anyways, so this is the guidance. Next we have is, I want to reach out but I'm afraid. Okay, so maybe your person is planning, I'm so sorry, but they are planning to make a move on you. They are planning to text you, or maybe they are wanting to talk to you, okay, through some medium. Okay, but they are afraid. Okay, they are afraid to reach out. Basically, I replay our connections, I replay our conversations again and again. I don't know why am I making mistakes. Maybe throat chakra needs healing. Okay, maybe your throat chakra, because you are not able to communicate clearly, so maybe throat chakra is blocked. Okay, so your person is replaying your conversations again and again. I want to be more than friends. Wow. Okay, so they are basically wanting to confess what they feel about you, what they feel about this connection, and they are ready to express. Okay, I will wait for a sign from you. So it could be a case कि जहाँ पे उनको एक्शन लेना है, उनको पता है कि now it's their turn to do something. So they already know that they are supposed to approach you, they are supposed to, make a move on you. Okay, but they are afraid about your reaction, कि आपका response क्या होगा, whether you are, you will be ready to talk with them, whether you will be responding them with, same amount of love, or reciprocate the same energy that they are going to bring in. Okay, so that's what they are thinking about. I hope you can forgive me one day. Okay, and you don't know how hard it was to let you go. सो दोनों की लाइफ में इश्यूज चल रहे होंगे आप दोनों की लाइफ में, एंड इट वॉज नॉट इवन ईजी फॉर देम. आपको लग रहा होगा कि इट वॉज ईजी फॉर द अदर पर्सन टू लेट यू गो, और मे बी टू मे बी स्टॉप दी द कन्वर्जेशंस गोइंग ऑन, मे बी द कॉन्टैक्ट गोइंग ऑन बिटवीन द टू ऑफ यू, या फिर आपको ब्लॉक कर दिया है एनर्जेटिकली और अदरवाइज, और any blockage that's occurring due to their behavior or their actions. There was a reason, there was a purpose. Okay, so I hope you will be able to listen to their side of story as well, and if the person really matters to you, or maybe if they are honest and trustworthy. Okay, if they were very manipulative, or maybe they were playing games with you, they were taking your love for granted, knowingly, intentionally, to hurt you, or maybe to play with your feelings. Okay, and then I think you should just get over this. Okay, you came closer than anyone else. So yeah, this is the energy from the angels, okay, that I'm picking up, and of your person as well. So communicate if it's your turn to make a move. So either of you is supposed to do something about this connection if you really really want to make it work. Okay, so if you were already putting in so much of efforts and energy, then you already know it, that now it's their turn to do something. Okay, so wait for them to approach you, wait for them to come towards you, and they are getting enough guidance to approach you, and they will be coming in their own time. Okay, so wait for them, and yeah, this was a reading. Thank you so much, guys. Take care, and I'll be back with another reading soon. So take care. Bye bye.